BovBox Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver 4K Honest Review. True plug-and-play proof.
The BovBox Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver 4K is a compact wireless video extender that sends everything on your screen, picture, and sound from any HDMI device to a TV, monitor, or projector without running a single cable between them. You plug the transmitter into your laptop, camera, or game console, and the receiver connects to your display up to 820 feet away in open conditions. Both units arrive pre-paired from the factory, meaning there is zero configuration involved. No Wi-Fi needed, no apps to download, no drivers to update. And here is the thing. It handles true 4K resolution at 30 frames per second and delivers even more stable performance at 1080p 60 frames per second for daily use. Whether you're setting up a meeting room, a home cinema, or a portable production, imagine never dealing with messy cable runs again.
The practical wins stack up quickly once you stop running cables between rooms. First, setup time drops to nearly nothing because both units arrive pre-paired and work immediately right out of the box. Second, the dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz connection with external antennas keeps the signal clean and interference-free, delivering under 0.06 seconds of latency, which is virtually imperceptible during presentations, gaming, or movie watching. Third, the transmitter includes an HDMI loop-out so you can monitor your source locally while simultaneously streaming wirelessly to another room or display. Here is where it gets interesting. The built-in 3.5mm audio output lets you route sound directly to a soundbar or external speakers without any additional adapters or splitters in the chain. Fourth, multi-power options including USB-C, power bank, and NP-F batteries mean you can operate entirely without wall outlets when fieldwork demands it. Fifth, one transmitter supports up to 4 receivers simultaneously for multi-display environments. Before discovering this kit, running HDMI cables through walls and across rooms felt like the only truly reliable option for most setups. A content creator who needed clean 4K output from a camera to a monitor 100 feet away described spending entire mornings taping down cables and carefully rerouting foot traffic around them. After switching to the BovBox, the entire setup took under 2 minutes with no cables touching the floor, and the signal staying rock stable throughout the entire shoot. Another user replaced a second cable box subscription by sending one box wirelessly to a bedroom TV, eliminating both the monthly cost and the unsightly clutter behind the dresser. There was genuine doubt at first about whether wireless could actually match wired quality at this range consistently. But after extended testing with game consoles, projectors, and even security camera NVR systems, the picture held steady without visible lag or dropped frames in normal home and office conditions. After testing a few wireless HDMI options side by side, one thing became very clear. Do not just pick any wireless HDMI extender. Make sure it has factory pre-paired dual-band 5 GHz transmission with HDMI loop-out, so you never waste your time on dropped signals, pairing failures, and constant reconnection frustration again. The BovBox Wireless HDMI Transmitter and Receiver 4K earns its position because it combines true 4K decoding with H.264 and H.265 hardware processing, HDCP 2.2 compatibility for protected content playback, and IR pass-through so your existing remote controls still work normally from the receiving end of the setup. A professional event producer tested 4 units simultaneously with PTZ cameras at a conference and reported 0 video wobble across 100 feet through concrete walls. A verified buyer running a security NVR to a bedroom TV described feeds from 6 cameras streaming with no perceptible lag at all. One broadcast reviewer confirmed that the carrying case and NP-F battery support make this kit genuinely field-ready, rather than just technically capable on paper alone. Which result matters most? Comment 1 for range, 2 for clarity, or 3 for setup speed.
The BovBox wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver 4K turns cable-heavy setups into clean, reliable wireless connections in under 2 minutes flat. Thousands of creators, businesses, and home theater enthusiasts already use it daily across real-world conditions. It only takes a few seconds to see if this fits your setup perfectly. The link is in the description and pinned at the top. Go take a look whenever you are ready. You deserve a cleaner connection.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.